Media. You guys are all free. Nami-misquote nga ako minsan eh. Na-excap sa inyo minsan. Nami-misquote. Take my quote out of context. Kaya pinaparecord ko na eh. Alam mo, we have a very free media as compared to Singapore, as compared to Malaysia, as compared to Vietnam. Sige nga, mag-report nga kayo doon. Subukan nyo. Please, subukan nyo. Kaya lahat ng balita, mali man o ganda, lumalabas. Kaya yan ang naririnig nilang balita doon. O, ito nga mga bansa na iba, di naman totoong demokrasya talaga yan. With all due respect. Tayo, demokrasya tayo. Kaya napapakinggan natin yung mga complaints na yan dahil binabalita ninyo na yan. Kaya unfair sa UN, unfair sa mga agencies na yan. It's unfair because those who are against government can go out today, magsigaw dun sa kalsada, ilalabas ng media, kinabukasan pwedeng umuwi ng bahay, walang mangyayari sa kanila.
Sir, but there's still a chilling effect after the Percy Lapid. That is a reality, sir.
You want the chilling effect? You all go to China. Can I invite you to China and do your reporting there? You will be caught on site and brought to jail on site. That's a chilling effect.